The three biggest myths you've been told about money from a certified financial educator. Investing is only for rich people. While that may have been true once, nowadays you can buy stocks with as little as $1 with any one of these brokers. Investing is too risky and you can lose all your money. That may be true if you put all your money into one or just a few stocks, but smart investors don't do that. You can buy an ETF, which is basically like a big basket of stocks of the S&P 500, the 500 largest companies in America. While it goes up and down over the short term, over the last 100 years, it's averaged out to about 10% per year. And if the 500 biggest companies in America go to zero, there's probably been a nuclear war or a zombie apocalypse, and money's going to be the least of our worries. And the last one, cash is king. Unless you've been living under a rock the last 6 months, you probably know by now that inflation devalues your money. Anything just sitting in a bank account right now is losing value at a rate of about 8% per year. While you do need money in the bank for emergencies and day-to-day expenses, you should invest as much of it as you can because that's the only way you're going to beat inflation over the long term. As always, follow basic financial literacy for all the wealth building tips.